Hey guys, what's going on? So today we're actually going to be reviewing the brand new HomePod mini. So I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and then walking you through my first impressions. So let's get started. Alright guys, so this is what I received from Apple today. And so let's unbox this and see what this is. And there's a little bit more. Sure you guys can make out what this is. Ugh. It is the brand new HomePod mini. Now I did order 2 of these, so here's the second one. But anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this one. And I'm gonna bring my X-Acto knife to help us out here. So let's go ahead and do this. And in traditional Apple fashion, they would typically have a tab here somewhere. I'm probably missing it, but you know what? I like using this thing anyway, so let's go ahead and cut this thing open. Okay, so let's get that off. Let's put that back, clear this all up. And now, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what is in this. So I've been very excited to actually have the HomePod mini. I have a lot of Alexa devices, some Google Home devices, but I've always been an Apple boy, an Apple fan. I was never really a big fan of the big HomePod mini, but I really like the elegant design of this one. So this is actually really nice. It's got a nice premium feel to it. And one thing right off the bat that I notice is when I look at this, the actual cord itself, I don't know if you can see this, but it actually looks like that it's actually a braided cord. But I don't know if you can tell. This is and again, it's USB-C. This is what you would get with like an iPad. So you can see that the difference in cable quality. This one is very plasticky. This is the iPad one. And this is a very braided feel that is actually attached to this HomePod mini. So in this, you get this nice, beautiful looking mini. Let's take this off. And there's the Apple logo, which is great. And the box, you are gonna get, you know, the good old menu, and then you get the USB power brick. And this is perfect. It just plugs in somewhere, and you can go ahead and try this out. So I actually really like the feel of this. Like I said, really nice premium feel. I like the Apple logo on the bottom. So let's power this up and see what it sounds like. So it's interesting. You will actually get this little amber light popping. And the reason why that amber light is popping, if you can see that, is because I've plugged this directly into my iPad. So let me take this light down a little bit, and you may be able to see this. But you notice right there, it's actually popping. It's kind of an amber light, and that's probably indicative of the fact that there's not enough power. So I am going to go ahead and plug this into an outlet, and let's see what happens. So we have a nice little pulsating light over here, which is nice. Again, I really like the feel of this thing. And I'm gonna get one in black as well, just to see what that looks like. The next step is, I would probably need to bring my phone close to this to try to pair it. So let's see what happens here. So I'm bringing my phone close to it, and it's got a little pop-up that says, set up HomePod mini. So let's go ahead and click that. I don't know which room I'm putting this in right now, so let's just go ahead and for the sake of it, let's just say the kitchen. I don't know. It says update personal request, sure, and it's a Siri for everyone, okay, and transfer settings. And now it's telling me to enter my passcode manually. Center the HomePod mini in the frame. So let's do this. Okay. So it's doing something. Let's see if this sets it up or what it does exactly. And so what's really nice about this is you can actually use this as like a centerpiece. It's almost like a nice little decoration piece that you can kind of put anywhere, really. Hopefully this setting up doesn't take too much longer. All right, so it says HomePod is ready, which is great. So now that we know the HomePod is ready, let's hit done. Cool. So let's see what it does. Hey Siri, play some music.
Just a moment. Sure, here's some music picked just for you. Sorry, there was a problem with Apple Music.
Uh-oh. That's not a good sign. Come on, Apple. Didn't expect that from you. Alright, so I'm going to have to fix that because I'm not sure what's happening there. That's kind of strange. I do have an Apple Music subscription. So right off the bat, a couple of bugs. But anyways, we're going to see what's going on with this. Let's see what else I can do. Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
A telescope just turned up in our lost and found box. We don't know who it belongs to, but we're looking into it.
Okay. Sure. Hey Siri, play the latest hits.
Here's Kids on the Farm by the Countdown Kids. Sorry, there was a problem with Apple Music.
Alright, well I'm going to go ahead and fix this, and then we're going to see what's happening with it. Alright guys, now I got Siri situated right here. Again, in my office, so let's see what she can do. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 9:10 p.m.
Hey Siri, play some music.
Sure, here's some music picked just for you.
So it's actually got really good audio quality, is what I'll say. So I'm going to stop this so I don't get copy strike. Hey Siri, stop. But what you'll notice is the music is actually very punchy. It's got some really good bass to it. And overall for, well, in Canada, about 120 bucks or so, this is actually a really good buy. I mean, I may actually grab 2 of these for the TV in one of our rooms and just use it as surround sound, because you can do that as well, which is awesome. And for 200 bucks, I mean, the sound quality is going to be amazing. All right, so let's play one more thing, just so you guys get an understanding of how good the bass actually is in this. Let's do this. Now for a $99 or $120 speaker here in Canada, that's actually got some really, really good bass and just sound in general. So again, amazing sound from such a small little device. Anyways guys, I would more than recommend this. This is an awesome little device. I'm so happy that I got this. I'm actually going to do a little bit more testing with this. In true fashion, if you watch my channel, I do a lot of programming. So I'm actually going to see how I can develop some APIs to actually have the output come out of this bad boy and see how that sounds. And more importantly, I'll also be doing some checks to see how I can integrate the Apple ecosystem a little bit more smoothly into this and test that out as well. Things like intercom and all that other stuff after I've set this up on multiple floors. So that's the video for today, guys. If you like this, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Thank you.